I love making quick and easy recipes, like this 30-minute General Tso Chicken. Crispy, sweet, tangy, spicy, and so much better than takeout. Stick around and see how I make the chicken super crispy every time. Slice the white part of the scallions. Mince the garlic. Set aside. Cut the chicken into about 1-inch cubes. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken and salt. Mix until the chicken absorbs the salt. Then add the white pepper and rice wine. Mix well. Let's make the batter. The cornstarch provides the chicken its signature crispiness. Baking soda makes it extra crispy. Baking powder creates a light and airy batter. Egg binds everything together. Oil adds richness, and water ensures a smooth texture. Coat the chicken in the batter. To make the sauce, add the soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, ketchup, brown sugar, chili oil, and chicken stock. You can also use water. Whisk. In a pot over high heat, add the oil. You can use any high smoking point oil, like avocado oil, grapeseed oil, or peanut oil. Heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the chicken in the pot. Fry the chicken for about 5 minutes until golden. Remove and drain. Increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the chicken and fry for another 1 minute until super crispy. Drain and set aside. In a wok over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Stir fry the scallions, dry chilies, and garlic for about 10 seconds. Pour in the sauce and bring it to a simmer. Add in the cornstarch slurry. We have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Whisk until the sauce is thickened. Return the fried chicken and toss to coat evenly in the sauce. And that's it! Crispy, tasty, and full of flavor. Ready in just 30 minutes. To make it a meal, pair with steamed rice and garlicky bok choy. Visit here for the recipe. Sweet and sour, a little spicy. Absolutely delicious. So please comment below and share with us what are your favorite ways to cook chicken. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon.